how to get DoorDash promo codes for free delivery. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get DoorDash promo codes for free delivery. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. To get free delivery on DoorDash, first you can open up your DoorDash. So new users can often find free delivery promo code upon signing up. So you can do that and you should be getting your promo code. So that's one thing that you can do if you're a new user. If you're not a new user, you can search for promo codes. For that, open up your web browser. Here you can search for your different promo codes on different websites such as couponfollow.com. Head over there, then tap on the search bar on the top right and simply search for your DoorDash. If you simply type in door, you should get this DoorDash option. Tap on it and open that up. So from here, you might or might not get DoorDash free delivery. You will get many other promo codes from here, but you might or might not get the your free delivery option. So you can search for that. If you find your DoorDash free delivery, you can use that from here. It's not available every time, but these are refreshed every day. So you will get you might find one right now or tomorrow. You can check every day. Now the other website is this Worth a Penny. Head over there and search for DoorDash. This is also just refreshed every day. So you can search for free delivery option from here as well. So it's the same thing, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.